So I'm going to show you how to hijack traffic to your website immediately and how you can get traffic to any website starting today. Guys, I'm going to tell you this method is extremely fast. You can do this in literally minutes. There's no backlinking at all. You don't have to rank any videos and there's no waiting. This is a really cool method. Basically, you start getting traffic today. It could be traffic to any niche, any landing page, any website, any video that you'd like. Really excited to show this video to you guys. So basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding videos, right? And in a lot of these videos here, you'll see that they have a link, right? This video particularly has 56,000 views. And if I click this link here, it goes to a dead link, right? There's nothing going to it. So I'm going to show you how we can hijack this and send this traffic to anywhere, any link we want, whether it's an affiliate link or it's our own landing page or whatever it is, right? I'm going to show you how to do that and how to find these websites, okay? Now, here's the cool thing about this. You can take this website that's a dead link. It's not going anywhere. And then we can go to a website called namecheap.com. This is basically where you buy domains. Now, remember this domain, someone used to have the domain, but now they abandoned the domain, they abandoned the YouTube channel, whatever it is, right? So we can basically, get free clicks from this YouTube video that's generating thousands and thousands of views, right? So if I go to namecheap.com, we can see if this domain is available. So right now you can see this particular one right here. It's available and it's only $7 for the whole year, right? Really cool. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, getting traffic with YouTube, TikTok, all that good stuff, guys. The goal of this channel is help you build a full-time passive income so you can achieve financial freedom. So if you want to learn more, I'm going to be posting videos almost every single day. So please subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's go ahead and get with the actual video. All right. So how do we do this method, right? So just go to youtube.com and just start with any niche, right? It can be anything that you'd like. So let's just say, it's healthy eating, right? So healthy foods. Okay. And basically what we do from here is you're going to go through every single video to see if there's any broken links, right? So you're going to start with this video here. You're going to start with this video here. And you're going to see if there's any links in here, right? For example, this one right here, okay? So 8 healthier versions of your favorite cheat foods, okay? It's getting, millions of views. Obviously, we would like for one of these really high-ranking videos that's getting millions of views to be a dead link. That way we can go ahead and buy a domain and send it to any website that we'd like, right? That's the goal. So you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and see if this link here, okay, this is the link that works, okay, this is the link that you want to test out, right? So you want to click it and see if it goes to a website. If it goes to nothing, then it's a dead website and we can see if it's available to buy as a domain, okay? So I'm going to go here and then it says download the new Tasty app. So let's just see if this works at all. So so it doesn't go to anywhere. It's a dead link, but we still got to check if that domain is available. So it's tastyapp.com. So we're going to go to Namecheap. I'm going to see if this one is available. Let me go back here. So we're going to go to Namecheap.com. So we saw that the other website was available that we just talked about. I'm going to go to Namecheap, tastyapp.com. It may or may not be available. Probably. Let's take a look. So that one's not available. As you can see, you would have to make an offer for that. But if we went to the other video, as I showed you, this one is available, right? And then there's another link under this. So we can even test this link out right here, okay? So we can see if this one's available. If I click the link, best skincare lines, nothing, right? And this video is getting thousands and thousands of views. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to see if this one's available. Best skincare lines. I'm sure a lot of you guys are watching this video are going to try to get this domain after. So I guess it's first come, first serve at this point. But anyways, you can see this is available for $6.98 a year, okay? So what you need to do is type in something on YouTube, right? Anything you want. It could be healthy foods. It could be like guitar lessons. I have another example for you guys here. Get all the piano skills, free online piano course for beginners. You can see here's a website here, piano.social. So if I go to this website here, it's a dead link. It's not going anywhere. So we can check on namecheap.com if it's available, right? If it's available, then we can go ahead and buy it and we can redirect that traffic to anywhere we'd like, right? So here in a little bit, I'm going to show you how to do this automated. But for now, let me show you how to redirect the website, okay? So we see that this is it's a dead link, right? So we go to namecheap.com. And let's just say we want to buy this one right here, right? BestSkincareLines.com. We buy the domain because we know a lot of people are going to go to this website. You see this video is getting thousands of views, right? This one right here, 56,000 views since 2012. So it's still getting views right now. And both of these links are dead, right? So we can have the same, we can buy both those domains, and we can have that, anyone that clicks the link, redirect them to any website, right? So what I would recommend here, if let's just say you didn't want to create a website, is go to a website like ClickBank and pick a product that makes sense with the actual video, right? So this is about healthy food guides, right? Healthy food eating. So if we go to clickbank.com, we can see if there's anything about, healthy food guides or something like that, right? And we could just go ahead and redirect them to this link here. So let's just see if we can find anything here. Lipotox, let's see, diabetes freedom. This might be something good. So all we got to do here is hit promote. It doesn't matter. You can do this on ClickBank. It really doesn't matter. This is just a really easy way to kind of start getting some traffic, right? So what we can do is send them to this link right here, right? So when they click any of these websites, let's just say we buy both of them, right? And they click any of these, we can redirect them to this ClickBank offer where it then talks about, healthy eating, diabetes, stuff like that, right? Something that would make sense with the video that we're talking about here, right? So anyways, how do you actually do the redirects? Really, really easy to do. All you got to do is once you buy the domain, so if you buy the domain in Namecheap for only $7, and then after that, all you got to do is go to, you're going to go to this domain list here and hit manage. After you hit manage, you're going to hit redirect domain here. And then you just add the link where you want it to go. Really, really easy. Okay. So in this case, we would just add the link to this ClickBank offer, right? Or it could be our offer. It could be our YouTube video. It can be anything you want it to be, right? This is the cool thing. You buy the domain, you own it, and you redirect the traffic to where you want it to go, right? Now, how do we do this automated, right? It's a lot of work to actually, find these videos one by one. So if there's a tool that you can do this like automated, right? All at once, right? So it's a tool called it's called My Traffic Jacker. Okay, really, really cool tool. I actually have a link to it in the description below. It is an affiliate link. If you do choose to use this software, then I do get a commission on that. But it's a really, really cool software because it's going to do this for you on autopilot. Okay, so here's the cool thing, right? So you can type something like if I go to keywords here, and if I type something like weight loss, right? Weight loss foods. Okay, under keywords. It's going to give you some ideas, right? So you do weight loss foods for men, weight loss foods vegan, weight loss foods to avoid. It's going to scan through thousands and thousands of YouTube videos looking for these broken links, okay? Now, you can go ahead and hit search here, and basically it'll get to this page right here, create research, right? So it's going to say, where do you want to search? I'm going to search YouTube, but you can see there's Wikipedia, BBC, Forbes, Medium, Quora, Reddit. You can literally... There's infinite links out there, like links that people buy and they abandon, right? Maybe they just couldn't pay for it, or maybe, they just don't want to do that anymore, right? It doesn't really matter. Those links are dead right now, and you can go redirect that traffic anywhere you want. And you can do this as many times as you want with as many links as you can find, okay? But anyways, let's just go to YouTube here. Remember, we want to do our keyword, which we found. Upload date, I just usually leave that the same. Relevant order, you can leave on relevance, or you can do view count. The view count will give you the highest viewed videos, so that's always a good idea. And then always just switch this to 10. That way it gives you the most results possible. Okay, then you hit create. Now I already did this for you guys, so you don't have to wait. It takes a little bit to search because it's going through thousands and thousands of YouTube videos. So I did this search already for you guys, but you can see I did healthy foods here. General search is searched through 500 videos. I found 7 broken links here, okay? Now you can see that it comes up with this video here, which is the video I found for you guys. That's how I was able to find this very quickly, the healthy food guide video. This is the exact same video that we talked about in the beginning. And with this one, you can go ahead and hit, so this one right here, Chatterate Generator, we can go ahead and buy that with Namecheap, right? So you can go here and click this here and then buy the domain, right? Really, really easy to do. This is available. You can buy this for, I think, $6 or $7. You can either buy it on Namecheap, or you can buy it on, I think, even GoDaddy here. So you can go to GoDaddy.com. It'll go ahead and buy that for you, okay? So either way, whatever you want to use, GoDaddy, Namecheap, the same thing, okay? It's the you can buy them. I like Namecheap myself. But basically, you can find, you can buy as many as you want, right? It's such a little investment for all this hard work. If you know YouTube, it's really hard to get your videos ranked, right? So someone may have made this video, back in the 2012. And, with YouTube, it takes kind of a couple of years for your videos to start ranking. This one's starting to rank. So all these, these websites they abandoned, that's all the people clicking the websites going nowhere. So you might as well buy this domain and have it go to somewhere you want, right? So it's really, really cool website here. But yeah, I mean, you can do this. Like I said, you can do this by yourself, where you just go through every single link and do it that way. I recommend just getting this software right here, guys, My Traffic Jacker. It does it for you really, really easy. And then all you got to do is redirect it to any offer you want, right? Here's another one right here. Let's see, top 5 healthy foods. You can see this is also available as well. So, there's 2 free ones. So whoever watches this video is going to get these, get to buy those right away. So yeah, but if you guys want to learn more on how this works, click the first link in the description below. It's going to take you to My Traffic Jackers. That way you can buy this automated software and start using this to redirect traffic anywhere you want. It's a very, very powerful software, guys. Like I said, you can do this with anything, right? You can do this with YouTube, Wikipedia. I know they're adding more stuff. There's Reddit, Quora, all kinds of stuff. You can search anything you want in any of those domains. It's going to search for those broken links, and then all you got to do is redirect that traffic. So hopefully that you guys can take advantage of this. This is one of the many videos that, or one of my favorite videos I've done in a long time. I'm really, really excited about this product. I jumped on it right away because this is something that, you can generate fast traffic to your offers, to your affiliate offers, to your own website, your Facebook group, whatever it is, right? Whatever's broken, you can go ahead and redirect that. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment down below or hit me up in my Facebook group. And please subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions, and God bless.